Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Mangomint software tutorial. Mangomint is a software that is designed specifically for persons that run a salon or spa or sell any form of services online. So for example, if you're a tattoo artist, you can also use this platform. It is perfect for persons that also have a large team. You can get started on Mangomint for completely free. All you'll need to do once you're on their website, you can tap on Try It Now. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you can quickly sign up using your email address. They'll also ask you some basic information, for example, the size of your team and also your different services that you plan to offer and so on. Once you're finished setting that up, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, it is now time to get started. The first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap where you see apps. After tapping on apps, you can add your services. So you could tap on services. Then you can see some sample services right here. As the example that I'm using is a tattoo artist. So you can see the different categories, for example, tattoo services, and then you can see the subcategories or services offered. So tattoo consultation, tattoo small, tattoo medium, and so on. And I could add a new service by tapping on add service, and I can continue adding more services. I can also add a main category by tapping on add category, and I could add in a new category. And also, if you would like to sell products, you can do that on this platform. So for example, as a tattoo artist, let's say you want to sell a numbing cream or a product that they can rub on their tattoo. All you'll need to do is tap on apps once more in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select products, and you can see some sample products right here. And if we were to tap on one of these demo products, you can see the layout. So you have tattoo moisturizer, you can see the brand, you can see the category and the price right there. And it is the same concept that I would like you to follow when you're adding a new product. To add a new product, you'll tap on add product in the top left hand corner. From here, you can put in the product name, brand name, select the category, select the price that you're selling it for, whether you like to charge tax or not. And I recommend that you toggle on track inventory, as you don't want to be selling a product that is out of stock and then have the hassle of having to source it with limited time. Once you're finished entering the product information, you will tap on create product, and that's it. You'll now have your first product listed. So these are all demo products, and you can remove them by simply tapping on the options there here, and then you'll be able to manage the categories and you can quickly delete them. You can remove these. Once you're finished adding your products, what next? You're going to tap on apps in the top right hand corner, and you're going to be adding your staff members. So you'll tap on staff members, and these are demo staff members, as you can see right here. So for example, if I were to tap on Andre, you can see his email address. Then by scrolling down, you can see user type, and you can see the basic information. You can also see services. If I were to select services, you can see the services that Andre is responsible for. To add a staff member, you'll tap on add staff member in the top left hand corner. Input the staff member email address, last name, and basic information. Then you can toggle on is a service provider, and you can tap on create. After you have done that, all you need to do is tap on apps once more in the top right hand corner. So now you have added your services, you have added staff members. You're next going to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, this is where you'll be able to edit your business details. So for example, you can add in your business location by selecting location from the top left hand corner, tapping on the three dots and selecting edit. You can fill in your address and your basic contact information. And you can also tap on logo and branding, and you can decide the brand color, so that basically means the color that you would like your landing page to be in. And you can also upload a logo and a cover image. And by tapping on advanced settings, you can enable client ownership, and this is when a staff member can be assigned as the owner. So you could toggle that on if you want. You can also design how you like your calendar to appear by selecting display preferences. You can set that up right there. So you can set it up, and you can also edit the canceled appointments. You can edit the message and so on. You can also set up a waiting room. You can set up the scheduling options. You can set up cancellation, the messages that persons will be receiving. And you can also set up express booking. So you can cancel that if you want, or you can leave it as is. You can also set up the different payment methods by tapping on payment and checkout. And by selecting online booking, from here you can tap on setup and integration. If you would like to add this HTML code and offer the booking on a website that you have already, you can simply copy it and add it. You can also set up automated messages on this platform. So you could tap on automated messages from the left hand column, and from here you can arrange how you would like it to be sent out and when you would like it to be sent out. Once you have edited all of those information, in the future you can tap on calendar and you'll be able to see the days that you're booked and for what service you're booked. You can also see your staff members and see the different services and days that they're booked for. You can tap on clients and you'll be able to see your client listing here. So you will be able to see their name, email address, and phone number. You will also be able to see the products that have been sold by tapping on sales, and you'll also be able to monitor interactions, or you can interact with your staff members by selecting messages, and you can also interact with customers. You'll be able to analyze your reports to see how payroll is going. There are numerous options that you can analyze or use when it comes onto this product. And if it is a case that you would like to, for example, offer gift cards or anything like that, you can tap on apps in the top right hand corner once more, and you could select gift cards, and from here you could tap on add gift card and you could create your own gift card. You can also offer membership by selecting membership. You could create a membership right there, and you can also run payroll by selecting payroll. You could generate payroll based on the amount of hours that a particular person has worked. And that's basically it. By the way, as you can see right here, if you would like to use it for email marketing, you can create different campaigns. By selecting campaign, you could tap on new campaign and you'll be able to retarget customers that have used your platform before. So you can create a campaign which you can use for all clients or only certain clients, as you can see right there. So this is definitely a good idea. And if we were to tap on apps once more, you can also set up automated flows by tapping on flows. So this is where you'll be able to retarget persons, or you'll be able to help persons that have booked before and may not remember that they need to come in to get a touch-up or anything like that. So this will help you to maintain your customer relationship. And overall, this is a good platform if you're planning to sell services, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button